if I cheat in exams and pass and I get a job based on this degree, will my earnings be haram? This is a frequently asked question by a lot of the brothers and sisters. And unfortunately, it seems that there is a possibility of this becoming a trend where people find the audacity to cheat during exams without any problem. And this is, in Islam, problematic. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu "Man ghashana falaysa minna." Whoever he cheats us is not from among us. However, the issue of earning is different than the issue of cheating on a certificate or in an exam. So if you cheat in an exam or more, and you get the degree based on such cheatings, and you apply for a job, they interview you, they give you a couple of tests, and you are awarded this position. Is your earning halal or haram? This has nothing to do with your degree. The sin you committed while having these exams is there. Now the job itself where you're getting this earning from is dependent on your job description and your evaluation. And if you are fulfilling what you're supposed to do in such a position or not. This is what you're getting paid for, not on your degree. So let us assume that you've been awarded a position as a secretary. If you're doing the filing well, taking the appointments well, you're writing in shorthand letters of your superiors or your boss, and you're doing everything and exceeding what you're supposed to be doing, and everybody is happy, the earnings are halal. But you're sinful for what you had cheated in during acquiring your degree. This is different than forging a degree, because it's a prerequisite that you have a degree in order to take the job. So if you forge a degree, you don't have a BA or a BS or a master's degree, and you forge one, you paid for it and you got it without any studying, without any cheating, without anything. You bought it off the streets. Now the earnings are haram even if you excel in your position, because this is a prerequisite for your position, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.